Good day everyone, this is JVCM's blogs and tutorials, and for today's video, I will teach you on how to add and subtract fractions. But first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. So, how to add and subtract similar fractions. So when we say similar fractions, these are fractions that have the same denominator. So number 1, keep the denominator the same. Number 2, add or subtract the numerators. And number 3, simplify if possible. So how to simplify fractions or reduce to lowest terms? So for example, 18 over 24. So the first step is to find the GCF of 18 and 24. Their GCF is 6. Number 2, divide the GCF from both the numerator and the denominator, and you will obtain the answer 3/4, just like what is shown on the slide. So here are the sample problems on how to add and subtract similar fractions. So the first problem is 5 over 10 plus 3 over 10. So simply add the numerators. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And just copy the denominator over 10. 8 over 10 is not in the simplest form. So we divide it by their GCF, which is 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4/5. 4/5 is in its lowest terms. Number 2, the problem number 2, 5 over 10 minus 3 over 10. So it's just the same, just subtract the numerators. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, then copy the denominator, which is 10. Then we divide it by their GCF, which is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. 1/5. 1/5 is in its lowest terms, so there's no need to simplify. So now let us learn how to add and subtract dissimilar fractions. So when we say dissimilar fractions, these are fractions that do not have the same denominator. For example, number 1 is 4 over 10 plus 3 over 6. So we must find their least common denominator by simply listing all the multiples of 10 and the multiples of 6. The multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. So 30 is their common denominator, or the least common denominator. So 30 divided by 10 is 3 times 4, that is 12. 12 over 30 plus 30 divided by 6, 5. 5 times 3, 15. So now we observe that they are similar fractions. So we must add the numerators together. 12 plus 15 is equal to 27. Then copy the denominator, that is 30. 27 over 30. 27 over 30 is not yet in its lowest term. So we divide it by their greatest common factor, which is 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 9 over 10. 9 over 10 is a fraction in its lowest terms. So therefore, 9 over 10 is the answer. For problem number 2, 3 over 6 minus 4 over 10. The least common denominator is 30. So 30 divided by 6, that is 5. 5 times 3, 15. Minus 30 divided by 10, that is 3. 3 times 4 that is 12. So now we observe that they are similar fractions. So we must subtract their numerators together. 15 minus 12 is 3, and just copy the denominator, which is 30. 3 over 30. And then we divide it by their GCF to reduce to its lowest term. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, and 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. 1 over 10. 1 over 10 is a fraction in its lowest terms. So therefore, 1 over 10 is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something.